In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make wall art using Canva in just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch to your living space or create a unique gift for someone special, designing wall art is a fun and creative process. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open up Canva on your browser. If you haven't already, create an account and log in. Once you're in, go to the search bar at the top of the homepage and type in wall art. This will bring up a plethora of templates designed specifically for wall art projects. The variety here is immense, ranging from minimalist designs to vibrant artistic expressions, so take your time to browse through the selections and find one that matches your style or the aesthetic you're aiming for. After you've found a design that catches your eye, simply click on it. This will open up a larger version of the template with more details. At this point, you'll notice a button that says Customize this template. Go ahead and click it. This will bring you directly into Canva's design interface where you can start personalizing the template to your liking. Now, to truly make it your own, one of the best features to explore is the Uploads tab, which you'll find on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on Uploads will give you the option to upload your own images or artwork from your device. So if you have a specific photo or graphic that you want to incorporate into your wall art, this is the time to do it. Once your images have uploaded, it's as simple as dragging and dropping them into the template. You can easily replace existing elements or incorporate new images, giving your design a fresh, personalized feel. Canva allows you to adjust the size, reposition, and fine-tune these images until everything looks just the way you want it. And don't forget to explore different fonts, colors, and backgrounds as you go. When you're happy with your creation, it's time to save and download your design. Canva makes this easy with various download options. Whether you want to print it out at home, take it to a professional printer, or share it online, Canva provides the necessary formats. Simply click on the download button in the top right corner, choose your preferred file type, and you're all set. And there you have it, you've just created custom wall art using Canva. It's an enjoyable process that not only lets you flex your creative muscles, but also results in a beautiful piece of decor for your home. Thank you for following along, and happy designing.